Hey everyone, Mark here at Discover Your Home, and tonight I want to talk to you about a personal subject, green algae. Yeah, that's right, green algae.
Sounds right.
Now it's funny, I've been in business for 30 years and I've never seen algae on the side of homes more so than in the last, I'm going to say 5 years. Don't know why. I just notice it. It shows up generally on the north side of the home. You'll see it on occasion here and there, but as of late, even just driving through neighborhoods, I see a lot of algae. Now, obviously, it needs to get cleaned off because if you don't clean it off, the thing about like algae and moss and mildew and mushrooms and all that, because I've seen mushrooms grow on the side of, I don't know what kind of mushrooms, but out of people's siding on their homes. So what ends up happening is it starts to eat away the finish and really kind of burrow its way down into the wood and can really just become a big problem. A lot of homes that are vinyl, probably not so much. Aluminum, you'll start to see it where it will once you go to clean it off, will start to almost eat the finish off. It kind of dulls the finish a little bit. So the question is, Mark, what do I got to do if I've got green algae? First and foremost, don't worry about it. It's just algae. It's not harmful. It's just ugly more than anything. So, and can just do a little damage over time if you let it go. So there's a lot of chemicals. I wouldn't say chemicals. There's a lot of biodegradable cleaners out there that you can, like wet it and forget it. You can spray it on, let it set. As it rains, it reactivates the wet it and forget it. That's one product. There's a couple others similar to that name. That you can basically put on there and let it go. If you have a pressure washer, you can put a cleaner on it, let it eat it up. There's things that are specifically for mold and algae. You want the cleaner to do its job. So if you're pressure washing, you don't want to get on it too hard. Or if you can, if you want to do it the old-fashioned way, scrub brush with the cleaner, spray it on, a little garden pump sprayer, spray it on. Okay. The thing is, the longer you let it set, the better you'll be, or the easier it will come to clean off. Okay. And a lot of times we become impatient when it comes to things like this. So spray it on, maybe take a little hose, mist it if it's hot outside. So you want that cleaner just to really kind of stay activated. Then go up, scrub brush it down, pressure wash it down. Don't use a high pressure power washer, anything over 2,500 PSI. A lot of these pressure washers have a pressure dial on them. Dial it down. Don't get, 6 or 8 inches away from the face. Stay off it. Make several passes, because what's going to happen if you're using a pressure washer and you get too close, you'll do what we call a wear pattern. You'll see exactly where you're cleaning it off, and sometimes, depending upon the type of siding you have, it will stay there, okay, until you either restain it, paint it, or if it's on old aluminum that's fading. So you don't want to get too aggressive on it. You want to just be able to gently wash it off. So then you got a good clean surface. A lot of times I see it a lot more, probably I see it more prone on vinyl than just about any other surface. You'll see it on wood. Generally I see more mold on wood, like rough sawn cedar, in the Chicagoland area, but I would say with the vinyl being more prevalent today, I've obviously noticed a little bit more so. So hopefully, you're going to need cleaner, a scrub brush. I would recommend a pump sprayer, a little garden pump sprayer to apply it. You can also run some stuff through a chemical injector on the pressure washer, kind of stepping back there. And then basically just get it on there, let it set, rinse it off, and come back there again. If you want to go the real kind of low labor, do like the wet it and forget it. It'll take a couple passes of rain to kind of reactivate the cleaner. That would be the easiest way to go ahead and do it. So hopefully this helps you if you have algae on the north side of your home. Now you might have on the other sides, but generally north side of your home is where it's going to be most prevalent. Thanks again for joining me. This is Mark at Discover Your Home, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.